Reds taking on the Brewers. Top of the first, Cincinnati up 1-0. Runners on the corners and 2 outs. Todd Frazier pokes an RBI single to right off of Johnny Helwig. Jay Bruce scores, and the Reds go up 2-0. Top of the second, 1 on and 1 out. Shin-Soo Choo with a chance to add on to the lead.
Choo launches this ball to straightaway center. Gomez back. He's running out of room. Home run! Shin-Soo Choo is 21st of the year. Launches at the straightaway center, and it is 4-0 Reds.
Jump ahead to the bottom of the fourth. Homer Bailey getting the start for Cincinnati. Chris Davis crushes one to center. It hops the wall. Scooter Gennett comes in to score as the Brewers get on the board. It's a 4-1 game. Next batter is Carlos Gomez, and he rips an RBI single, scoring Davis. That makes it a 4-2 game. Top 6, it's now 4-3. Joey Votto at the dish with the man on against Michael Blazek.
High, deep to right field. Hooking into the corner. Hit the pole. Home run for Joey Votto. Hit the foul pole way up near the top. Votto gets number 23.
Votto makes it 6-3 Cincinnati, but the Brewers threatening. It's a 7-3 game. Bottom of the 8th, bases loaded and 2 outs. Aroldis Chapman on for the 4-out save, facing pinch hitter Jonathan Lucroy, who swings and misses at strike 3, but it gets away from catcher Devin Mesoraco. He recovers, throws over to first in time. That ends the inning. Chapman would strike out the side in the 9th to lock down save number 36 and a 7-3 win for the Reds. Votto finishes 2 for 3 with the home run and 3 ribbies, and Homer Bailey gets the win to improve to 11-10 on the year.